Hello. All right, guys, so we're going to be looking at actually 3 days here. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are going to have the same directions and a similar activity every day. Okay, so you'll see the same screencast on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Let's look at our objective. So I can compile my research by summarizing Article 1, and then you'll notice it changes to Article 2 and 3 for Wednesday and Thursday. So your goal is to take those articles that you did one reading of already and go a little bit deeper in them to help you get ready for your project. So your directions are watch the screencast and then summarize article number 1. Your screencast is here. Good job. You're watching it, right? Nice. And then down here is your activity. Before we do that, I'm going to go back to Google Classroom. You'll notice I'm under Research Week 1, and I'm going to find my articles. So a lot of us chose technology, right, or Fortnite. You're going to find either one of those and open those up. For this example, I am going to use the school lunch one to show you how to write a summary. All right, so I went through and I can go down and I can see some of the highlights that I made as I was reading last week. Okay, awesome. So let's go back to our calendar. We will open up the first day, and you'll do this Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then make sure right now you hit share right here and share your copy with me, please. Awesome. Okay, so my directions are pretty simple. I'm going to go back to the first article today and look at my topic. Using that article, I'm going to fill out the 4 questions below. Don't forget to use what you highlighted, so some of those things that you annotated could help you on this assignment. So step 1, title. So I'm going to go back, and this is really easy, guys. You can just copy and paste. Mine is called, Hold On to Your Honey Buns, American Vending Machines Are Getting Healthier. Boom. So I copy and paste that there. Step 2, what is this article about? Use the sentence stems to help you. So here there are 2 sentence stems ready to go. I'm going to delete the lines because I like the to type without those. But it's asking me, I know this article is about, and I know this because. So this article is about how vending machines will start having healthy food at school. Awesome. So when I go through my article and I remember what it was about, I look at my highlights, that's what I know this one's about. I know this because, and then I can say the article states that vending machines need to be healthy since many kids get snacks from them. There we go. Awesome. All right. So give us just a sentence about what is the article about and how do you know that. Okay? Step 3, what are the top 3 facts? So I'm going to go back to my article, and it could be things that I highlighted, but pick the top 3 most important things from my article. All right, so I'm back on my article, and I'm going to go through and find what are the top 3 things that I highlighted or top 3 facts that I found. Okay, so don't just pick anything, right? Make sure that it's useful for the article. Well, I know that this article was specifically about how vending machines were supposed to be healthier, so I'm going to look for how they introduced that topic, right? So here, I think that's a really important one because it talks about their purpose. I did not highlight it, but I can now. I'm going to go back and paste that in, right? Okay, and I'm going to keep looking here. The entire population, okay, that's pretty important, that the entire population is depending on healthier food and vending machines. Keep reading. And then down here, I noticed that it says we will get healthier vending machines starting January 1st of 2020, which is this year. I think that's pretty important. I will probably include that in my project. All right. And then down here, any questions you might have left. So for me, I do have a question left after mine. It really talked a lot about the benefits of healthy vending machines, and I am going to ask, will healthy food impact the price? So just because it's a vending machine and it's healthy doesn't mean it's cheap, right? So that's a question that I have that maybe I can answer later. As you are working on this, if you are getting stuck, please make sure to go through these with somebody, so ask either myself or Mrs. S or Miss Longboy and we can jump on and help you, okay? But the goal of this is to really just get a nice summary of your article, and then you'll do article 2 and 3 the next day, right, like we talked about. So the next couple days here, okay? So let me know if you need any help, and hopefully this helps you get a little bit deeper into those articles.